Hey guys, what is going on? Today is Wednesday, July the 2nd, last day of work this week. I'm gonna head down to PCB for the rest of the week, and we'll be back at it next Monday. A busy week already. So we're out here in Decatur. We did a sanding job. We did a screen recoat and a sanding job about 2 streets over last week. This is Mr. Carter. He found me online. I came out, did a paid in-home consultation. His house is going on the market. We're doing a screen recoat. Went out and did an in-home consultation this morning in Gainesville. They booked for July 14th. It's like 1,200 square feet, wax removal, screen recoat, and UV cure. So anyway, guys, beautiful day today. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, I have not been using my meta glasses. I keep forgetting to put it on my truck. So anyway, we're out here in Decatur, Georgia. I'm actually from Decatur. I went to school, elementary, middle, high school. Yeah, so what we're gonna be doing, guys, they just had the house painted. We're gonna be doing these 2 stairs right here, see some really worn. Then coming through here, this is the worst part. Want to get pretty aggressive on this right here. This is the kitchen area. Phone has been ringing a lot, guys. I mean, a lot. Booked 2 jobs today just based off pictures. Got a few other people sent pictures. Booked 2 in-home consultations for next week. We got this room right here. This room right here. This whole living room, dining room combo. This hallway. This room right here. So you guys, it's a lot of wood. So like I said, close to 1,000 square feet, $250 a square foot, because they're not doing the UV. So screen recoat is $250 a square foot. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started and knock this job out. And then I have to go do another in-home consultation that came through today in Dunwoody. Stay tuned. Guys, as you see, we got a great screen on this floor. I will say, man, this floor, it's definitely the original floor. It has a lot of ups and downs. You know, this would definitely be a little challenge if a guy had to sand this floor. I mean, it slopes down in a lot of areas, man, and it goes like up in hills and valleys. A lot of gaps in the boards, but again, the client is set in the house. Just want to make it look more presentable. Like, see, guys, like right here, he goes up, and then I can feel it going down. I could do it when I was buffing. And then got probably a pet stain or a water stain. Again, that does not come out with screen recoat. But guys, this area right here, this kitchen, I went above and beyond, and look at that right there. Wow. All right, guys, go ahead and get the coating down. Going to go off to Dunwoody, which is about 30 minutes away, do a consultation, and then I'll grab some lunch. And man, this floor came out really good, really good. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. Mr. Carter is back. Where's he go? I tell you guys, this is a very unique, mazy house. I really like it. Where you go? Where he at? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this floor came out amazing. As you can see, that was the most trouble area right here in the kitchen. But yeah, guys, this is a very unique house. The backyard, I love the backyard with all that shade. They got a clubhouse back there. But yeah, man, these floors came out really, really good. All right, guys, actually booked a few more appointments for next week. Went and did a consultation in Decatur that went really, no, I'm sorry, not in Decatur, in Dunwoody. Went really well. It's going to be a screen recoat with UV cure because she lives in a condo. Come on in, Bob. Tell me what you... Yes, sir.
How's it dry so fast?
Water based. And then plus we turn the air down. What do you think about that?
Wow.
No, he's fine. It's fine. It should be good. I put the fan on it. I did put a... Yeah, it's fine.
That's what you just did. That's the last
Yeah,
part.
yeah. Yeah, they came out really good.
It was good. How the kids' room.
Oh, go check it out, man. Everything looks good. I see where you tried to feel it. Maybe you told me you was gonna, yeah. But you see, that's why I say I don't do that, because see how it kind of you can kind of tell.
Yeah.
But you know, it's better than what it was.
It was good.
Thank you. Bedroom right there. Now again, guys, you know, in my contract, my clients do know that. But again, service like this is a Screen Recoat. They're selling the house. Those deep scratches have to be fully sanded out. But again, a lot of times people, when they're moving into a house, you know, they'll cover it up with furniture, or they might, you know, they might not like the natural look, which I love the natural look in this house. These are the original floors, aren't they, Bob?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the floors came out really, really good, guys. Really good. And then remember I had the pet stain right there. I told you guys at the beginning.
Go upstairs.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go look at the upstairs. Now, let me ask you a question though.
Yeah.
This rule right here, was this an add-on?
That over there was.
This I could tell. Yes.
Just right. You said right over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. I know a little thing or two. I knew something was about that wood. And then the upstairs. Here we added this one.
You see that little discoloring is there? Will that come out?
Probably have to add in just another little coat or something.
Another coat right there?
Yeah, hold on 1 second, to artist. And then this room right here, he had a lot of wear right here where his office at. And look at that.
Yeah.
Can't even tell.
Looks good.
Thank you. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna touch up these stairs right quick. Also got this long closet. This is a long closet, Bob. Yeah. Yeah, I went on in here as well. I always do the closets. Yep, got that closet. We didn't do the stairs. The stairs are fine. So, all right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. We will be off for the rest of the week. We have a full packed schedule for the next week and a half, and totally slammed out next week. Actually, next week on a few days, we are doing 2 jobs. So this is one of the busiest parts of the year. And guys, again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.